Adobe community expert Gary Dufner here. When making a video, narration is very important for people who are legally blind and can't see the visuals. But if you're kind of shy to narrate with your own voice, I'll show you a trick. You could use a website called ttsmaker.com. Write in what you want your narration to be. Click on language and choose the language you want your narration to be in. You can use a woman's voice or a man's voice. You want to input the verification code 9855, that's that number right here, and click on Convert to Speech. When you're all done, click on the Download Voice file, and we'll bring that into Premiere Pro. In Premiere Pro, we can do a file, import, find the file you downloaded. It'll probably start with the website name, TTS Maker. Click Import. It's in the project bin. We're going to drag that and drop it onto the audio layer. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut up the narration, get the razor tool. I'm going to click here, and click here, get the move tool, move this over to the right just a little bit, delete this part, and bring the beginning over to the right just a little bit, and goes with the imagery. Let's watch and listen.
Blackbird, Comics, and Coffee is my go-to place to buy comics. They have so many to choose from, and the staff is so nice.
See, that narration works great. If you want to play around with the narration to make it sound different, select the narration and get the Essential Sound. Click on Window, Essential Sound if you don't see the panel open. Drag the panel down so you can see dialogue, music, sound effects, and ambiance. For this, we're going to do dialogue. Click on dialogue. The drop-down menu, we have presets. Select one of them, and it will be added to your narration. Have some fun with it.